Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to master YouTube thumbnails in minutes using Adobe Photoshop. Don't worry if you don't have Photoshop. There are free alternatives like Canva or GIMP that work just as well. Alright, let's dive right in. Open Photoshop and create a new document. Set the width to 1280 pixels and height to 720 pixels. This is the standard YouTube thumbnail size. Make sure your resolution is at 72 ppi for web use, and choose a transparent background or any solid color you like. Import your background image or use a solid color or gradient. Go to File and select Place Embedded to add an image. Resize it to fit the canvas using Ctrl+T for free transform. If you want to add a blur effect, go to Filter, then Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur. Use the Quick Selection tool or Pen tool to cut out your subject. Place it in the center or a prominent area of the thumbnail. To make it stand out, add a drop shadow or glow effect by going to Layer, then Layer Style and selecting Drop Shadow or Outer Glow. Grab the Text tool and add a catchy title. Choose a bold, easy-to-read font like Impact, Bebas Noye or Montserrat. Keep your text short and impactful, around 3-5 words max. Use contrasting colors for the text and background to make it pop. You can also add effects like stroke or bevel by going to Layer, then Layer Style and selecting Stroke or Bevel and Emboss. Don't forget to include your logo or channel name. Place it in a corner, like the bottom right, so it doesn't distract from the main content. You can reduce the opacity slightly if it's too prominent. Use shapes, icons, or emojis to make the thumbnail more engaging. For example, add a red arrow or circle to highlight something important. Use the Shape tool to draw shapes and customize their color and outline. Adjust the brightness, contrast, and saturation to make your thumbnail pop. Go to Image, then Adjustments, and choose Brightness, Contrast, or Hue Saturation. You can also add a vignette effect to draw attention to the center by going to Filter, Lens Correction, Custom, and then Vignette. Finally, export your thumbnail as a high-quality JPEG or PNG. Go to File, then Export, and choose Save for Web, Legacy. Choose JPEG or PNG 24 format and ensure the quality is set to 100%. Some quick tips for a great thumbnail. Use bold, contrasting colors to grab attention. Keep the design simple and avoid clutter. Use facial expressions or emotions to connect with viewers, and test different designs to see what works best for your audience. If you don't have Photoshop, try using Canva, GIMP, or Snappa. Canva is user-friendly with pre-made templates, GIMP is a free and open-source alternative to Photoshop, and Snappa offers drag-and-drop functionality. That's it for today. Let me know if you need help with any specific step, and happy creating!